in Coron, we have different kinds of kayak. Number one here, clear kayak, glass. So, clear kayak man says it's good for your Instagram, Facebook, okay? Changing your profile in the Facebook, okay? So, because ma'am sir, you have a lot of activity this day. Swimming, trekking. For your snorkeling, you will see, as I said, fish, corals, rock formation. Kanina. Green Lagoon. Second beauty of Coron, which is belongs to the 7 wonders of the world. How you will gonna enjoy that one? Swimming? Yes. But if you got the kayak, you will see or you will be more enjoying Green Lagoon. Green Lagoon, there is no place that you can do snorkeling there. The highlights in the Green Lagoon, it's the rock formation that was surrounding to you in the surface. No more under the water. Okay? So, Green Lagoon is really, really big. If you want to see it, interior and exterior rock formation there, try to use the kayak. Highly recommended for you there for kayaking. To be honestly, there are some people that you will see there just only swimming. Yes, because they cannot afford the price monster. Okay? So, but if you don't have a kayak, then it will be just only like this. This boat, they will gonna dock it in the first lagoon. You need to go down in the water. Swim. Green Lagoon because there is a tunnel that was connected to each other. That's why Green Lagoon, first and second. So, but ma'am sir, it depends to the water. Now the water is always getting high tide. If the tunnel is not available, then there is a steps going up and going down to the other side. Second lagoon. Once you get in the second lagoon, stay there. Okay? We cannot allow you to go to the other side. As I said, Green Lagoon is really, really big. That's why. And then, once you get in the second lagoon, you need to go back in the same way. And don't forget the name of our boat. What's the name of our boat again? Raisabel, it's in the front, in the bottom. Okay? Don't go to the other boat. Okay? So, but if you got the kayak, then you will gonna enjoy the Green Lagoon completely. Because you see all the area of the Green Lagoon using the kayak, guys. Okay? What you bring in the water, you need to be careful. Because if you drop something there, that's our eBay there. No shipping fee. So many guys just fall down there. Okay? Not only one time that we're gonna use the kayak. In your lunch area, Green Lagoon, there is another, lunch area, Beach 91, I'm very sorry. Beach 91. In the Beach 91, there is another lagoon closer to that side. We call that Sunset Cove, which is not belongs to our destination. But, you can visit that one using the kayak to move around to take a picture in the rock formation. But don't go down in the water. Again, don't go down in the water. Because there's indigenous people was guarding that place. If you want to go down there, that means you are willing to pay the entrance fee there, master. Okay? So, if you want to see it, use the kayak, but don't go down. Take a picture, move out, pass to the lunch area, go to the other side to see another rock formation. Okay? So, there's another kind of kayak, 3-seaters, colored. It means you cannot saw the bottom. But the good news for that, if you want to get more farther, exploring. Okay? And there's another one, 2-seaters, colored. And it's the same function as the 3-seaters, colored. So, the good thing for the colored kayak, for example, you do kayaking in the deep part of the water. You can drop yourself to the water and you can go back anytime to the colored kayak. Colored kayak, the hull is like a U shape. That's why you can balance. Clear kayak is flat hull. That's why the tourist can lie down to take a picture, changing the position for taking a picture. That's why. Okay? So, guys, I'm sorry if I talk too much because we need to give you full information. So, and then, also ma'am sir, to be honestly also, this kayak, this agency have a kayak before which is included. And you're just gonna use it only for one time. That area. Because of the pandemic, that time, as villagers salvage their kayak man, sir. That's why now, all the kayak there, it's for rent man, sir. Okay? So, guys, I don't know if you've been to El Nido. Are you? Yes. Okay, in El Nido, the destination that you will visit there, it's owned by the government. That's why all the rental is already in the destination, like kayak. Right? So, only you need to do, once you get to your first destination, contract, rent. Once you get to the second destination, rent. Once you get here, rent. So, if you were gonna compute, it's the same price. Okay? They make it cheaper in the first destination, but if you were gonna compute it all, it's the same price. So that's why if you were gonna decide, we were gonna bring it here on the boat, we were gonna bring it to your destination. Why there's no rental shop there? This time, the place that you were gonna visit, it's not owned by the government. It was owned by our indigenous people here. We call them Takbanwa or Tangay. That's why there's no rental shop there. Only you can have there in our destination. Beer, Coke, chips, coconut. That's it. Okay? So, okay. Clear kaya. 3-seater stroller. They are the same price. They are around 1,700 pesos. 2-seater stroller, it's 1,300 pesos. So, while we are grabbing this Masin Stocken and Aqua shoes, we can give you a time to talk to each other outside. Because once we get there to the Green Lagoon, there's a chance you will be jealous, okay? So, by the way guys, if you don't bring enough money, no problem for that. After the tour, go back to the hotel, leave the money to the front desk. Third guys, we're gonna use the motorcycle to grab the payment there in your hotel.